Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Thinking about combining your information in Notion, but not quite sure where to start? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to merge two databases in Notion, so you can keep your workspace streamlined and organized. By the end, you'll be able to combine tables with ease and manage all your data in one place. Let's dive right in. So, you've got two separate databases in Notion that you want to bring together. Maybe you started out with different tables for projects, tasks, or contacts, and now things are getting unwieldy. Merging these tables isn't just about tidying up, it's also about making sure all your info is accessible without jumping between pages. Here's how you can do it. First, start by identifying which database you want to move. This is an important first step. The database you move will essentially become part of the other, so make sure you pick the right one. For example, if you have a database called Old Tasks and another called Master Tasks, and you want everything in one place, you'll want to move the contents of Old Tasks into Master Tasks. Take a minute here to decide where you want all your consolidated data to live. Once you've made your choice, head over to the database you want to move. Don't worry if you're not totally sure. You can always double-check by looking through both tables. Now, in the top right corner of your database block, you'll see three little dots. This is the Options menu, and it's where the magic happens. Click it. Now, look for the option that says Move To. It's easy to miss because there can be a lot of options here, but Move To is exactly what we need. Click on Move To, and Notion will prompt you to choose where you want to relocate this database. Here's where you'll select the destination page, the one that holds the database you want to merge into. If you're merging into Master Tasks, for instance, pick that page. If you're not sure about the destination page, just go slowly and look through your Notion workspace. You can always go back and redo this step if you need. After you've selected the right page, Notion will move the entire database to that location. Sometimes, especially if you have a big table, this might take a few moments. Just be patient and let Notion do its thing. Once it's in the new location, you'll want to actually merge the tables together. Typically, this means dragging and dropping the pages or rows from your older database into the newer one. If you have custom properties or filters, you might have to spend a bit of time making sure everything matches up, so your data fits seamlessly and nothing gets lost in translation. Think of it like blending two recipes together. Sometimes you need to tweak a few ingredients to get the perfect mix. When you've successfully combined your databases, you might notice you've got an extra database block that's now empty or obsolete. It's totally safe to delete this old database now. Just double-check that everything you needed has made it over to your main table. If you're nervous about deleting, you could always duplicate just in case. But usually, this is a safe final cleanup step. And that's it. You've now successfully merged two databases in Notion. Your workspace is cleaner, your data is easier to find, and you're ready to take on bigger projects with everything in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or run into any tricky spots, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.